Hello and a warm welcome to all on our special program Current Affairs. Recently, a great new scheme, namely Mission Karam Yogi, has been approved in the Union Cabinet meeting. It will be a national program for civil services capacity building, that is NPCS-CB. The meeting is headed by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on September 2, 2020. In GK Today's Current Affairs Explainer program series, we will discuss questions like: what is the mission all about? What is the purpose? Its key points. Why do we need civil services reform? And the conclusion. To begin with, let us first know what is the mission all about. Mission Karam Yogi will be a new national architecture for civil services capacity building. The civil servants are selected through All India exam organized by Union Public Service Commission, that is UPSC. This scheme is designed for the development of civil servants in all parameters. The next question here is, what is the purpose? Mission Karam Yogi will help in capacity building of all selected officers. It will help them to remain in touch with the Indian culture while they learn from best practices across the world. This scheme is based on government's vision of how a civil servant should be. The main aim of Mission Karam Yogi is to prepare civil servants for the future by developing more skills like initiative, innovative, technology-enabled, and progressive behavior in them. Let us know about the key points. It is one of the biggest human resource development reform in the government. According to an official statement, the scheme will cover 46 lakh central government employees at all levels and involve an outlay of 510 crores over a 5-year period. This program will help civil servants to remain in touch with Indian culture. It enhances their affection towards Indian cultures, traditions, and values. It also focuses individual capacity as well as industrial capacity. Earlier, it was the rule-oriented and now it will be role-oriented. Capacity building commissions will be set up which will harmonize training standards and will have a supervisory role over all training institutions. A council chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, which will help to approve civil services capacity under this scheme. A wholly owned special purpose vehicle will be set up to create and manage content, marketplaces and key business services of the IGOT Karam Yogi platform. This platform will act as an umbrella platform because this integrates the service matters like deployment, work assignments, etc. This scheme will help the civil servants to empower more. Moving further, let us know why do we need civil services reform. Changing times necessitates that civil services must be ready for the rapid and fundamental changes taking place. But the present civil service system is engulfed by many problems, such as Indian bureaucracy is alleged to be status quo. It is rule book bureaucracy, political interference, structural issue like generalist officers, and obsolete training system. There are examples of lack of employment opportunities in some public services, whereas there are many vacancies in other services. So what is the conclusion? It is expected that Mission Karam Yogi will bring a huge shift in human resource management from rule-based to a role-based approach. This scheme will provide all civil servants a prospect to build and fortify their behavioral function, domain competencies in their self-driven and mandate learning paths. This scheme will provide a mechanism for continuous capacity building and constant updating of the talent pool and aligned the civil servants to the vision of New India.